Name belong me, Emmy Stephen Hall. Na mi amamal song sit down one time you na open Bible, na study in Bible one time. Me like you ting long this below something. God me like ting him you me long triple kind way. Triple kind way me all sem. Me ting him you me all sem Pikinini belong in. Me ting him you me all sem body or Sios belong in. Or me ting him you me all sem Haus Holi belong in. Or temple belong in. Okay, you me ting him this per 3 plus something now. Na behind you me study more long in. So me like so him you now. Bible he talk all same Papa, me ting him you me all same Pikinini belong in. God me like him too much. God Papa he like him too much. Lo you me come up Pikinini belong in. Bible he talk all same long John chapter 1. All who said he kiss him Jesus, he not be got number belong come up Pikinini true belong God on top. All same na, suppose God me pick Papa, na you me Pikinini belong in, me like look out him you me. Me like straight him you me. Me like make him you me come up strong pla. Me like you me come up long mark belong Pikinini belong in Jesus. All same na, first Pikinini belong God Papa, Jesus Christ. True too much, Jesus me God, me number 2 belong 3-1. Me God Pikinini. Na me been come long display ground, and he underneath long Papa belong come up man. He come up man in up long God Papa, he can come up plenty Pikinini behind long Jesus. All same na, Bible he talk all same, Jesus he talk me all same corn belong wheat. Me put down long ground, na me die. That's all suppose this pala wheat he put down long ground, by come up again. Plenty seed, plenty plant all same wheat. Plenty wheat he come on up. Bla one pala he been he die. I me mark him this pala. Jesus he died on DY cross. And Pikinini belong God he been died on DY cross. All same pass him belong Pikinini or way belong Pikinini belong God. And he die. That's so you plant him one pala kind wheat or seed or Pikinini belong want him something. You plant him long ground behind by come up more. One kind all same long Jesus. You me who's that he believe belong Jesus, you me come up Pikinini belong God too. Now you may come up one kind like Jesus, Pikinini belong God he been he got. Now, God he me Papa true below you me. Long Hebrews chapter 2 and me talk all same. Jesus and me come up number 1 and me first Pikinini. That's all me got kind happy long DY cross na karim pain below you me. In up long you me can come up Pikinini true belong God too. And me go past line. Now you me all get a Pikinini belong God behind him. Now one him mark Jesus he come long in. You mean up come long one kind mark. And me big fella something. That's so Jesus, God Pikinini or Pikinini belong God, belong 3-1. And me one kind all same God, he got number 1 kind all same Papa, na Holy Spirit. Tassel, me no ting him, you me come up Pikinini belong in. No God. You me no up come up Pikinini belong God Pikinini. You me come up Pikinini belong God Papa. And me Papa blow you me. Jesus and me ting him body belong in. Jesus and me ting him Sios belong in. Jesus and me ting him Mary belong in. And me Sios. Now me talk all same. By me son up him Sios belong me yet. By me son up him Sios belong me yet. Sios something belong Jesus. Number 2 belong 3-1. God Pikinini me ting him Sios belong in. Now time me ting him Sios belong in, me ting him body belong in. Belong him. You me all together. You me stop inside on Sios. You me come up hop body belong Christ. Also now you got 2 pala kind ting here. Sios me 1 pala kind ting. Sios he got meaning belong. All he been Jesus he been sing out him you me. Now you me all get a boom one time him. Now you me come Sios belong in. Das all dispel talk long body, emi got not a blakain ting ting, emi talk all sem. Jesus emi face, na yumi all get a behind long and yumi join him, na come up hap body belong in. True to mas, Jesus he sit down long heaven. Emi head belong Sios, emi head belong body. Now yumi all together long Colossi emi talk all same. Yumi hold him pass head blow yumi. Now yumi come up half body belong in. Now yumi strong him all together out of half body belong Jesus Christ. Emi mark him all same. Yumi got walk belong strong him brata susta blow yumi. Yumi got walk belong strong him all who's at he belong long Christ inside long body belong in inside long Sios. True to must be talking you. Jesus emi sabi ting him body belong in. Emi ting him Sios belong in. Emi ting him medi belong in. Emi Sios belong in. Tassel Holy Spirit, emi ting one him. Holy Spirit emi ting all same. Emi ting long Haus Holi. Emi ting lo yumi all together one. He come up Haus Holi belong him yet. True to us, lo 1 Corinthians chapter 3, now 1 Corinthians chapter 6, emi talk all same. Body belong you, emi Haus Holy belong Holy Spirit. Now behind, emi show him clear. You mean all get to stop one line, on narpla side. No God. This pala Haus Holy, he got meaning all same. Emi got meaning belong temple belong God. You mean call him long English temple. Place where God emi sin down, emi stop head belong in, emi stop king belong in. Na place where offer emi come up. Na place where display person belong. Jesus he stop namel man blow yumi. Head priest blow yumi. Lon display Haus Holy, display walkie come up. Place where sin in uplom go out, na God in uplom forgive him sin. Haus Holy belong God. Now, emi like yumi come up, hap stone belong this pala Haus Holy. This pala Haus Holy, he got plenty million stone long in. Blow walk him dry pala Haus Holy. Now yumi all get a 1, yumi come up 1 plus stone. Now you bone close to long narpla stone. Haus belong Holy Spirit. House where Holy Spirit emi King. House belong Holy Spirit where emi Lord emi big pala. Now behind this pala Haus Holy, emi come up, you may call him town new pala Jerusalem. Also emi move also. Emi move long Christ emi Haus Holy belong God. Now Christ, emi make him yumi come up Haus Holy belong Holy Spirit. Tassel dispel Haus Holy by come up new pala Jerusalem. And by come down long heaven. And by come down a place where God he stop all time. He knew enough pennies. Okay, you may got 3 pala sight now. He got Papa, emi ting him lo yumi. Emi ting lo yumi must come up. Pikinini true belong in. He got Jesus. Emi sabi ting him, yumi must come a body belong in. Hap body belong in on this ground. Sios belong in. Mary belong Christ. Na Holy Spirit emi ting him, yumi come up Haus Holy. Place where Holy Spirit he sit down long in. Na emi Lord inside long bell blow yumi 1. Tasso behind yumi all together join. Na long Ephesus emi talk all same. Apostle na prophet he asplon this pla house. Now yumi all together join. Na God he walk him yumi go. He come up Haus Holy belong God. Okay? God bless him you and one pala liglik study today.